Today we're releasing data sources. With data sources, you can connect any event from any service to any action in Knock in just a few minutes. Let's say we're a startup that gets paid using Stripe and we want to send emails to our customers when their trial is about to end. So let's see how we'd set that up using data sources. So we can see we have a few of these sources that are pre-built for you. So if we click Stripe, you can see it comes with some default mappings of common webhooks that come out of Stripe, mapped into common actions that we see our customers use in Knock. These pre-built sources also handle verification on incoming webhooks for you out of the box. I've already got a Stripe source that I've connected ahead of this demo. If we jump into our Stripe sandbox, we can see this is configured to send a few different webhooks to Knock, including our trial will end webhook. This is another cool thing about data sources. Even though we have some pre-configured mappings for you, you can send any webhook you want to us in any payload format, and you'll be able to use it with Knock. You're not just limited to what we've configured already. So if we jump back in, we check out our logs, we can see these events coming through. We can see that they're successfully being verified. And if we jump into one of these, we can create a new mapping. So when we map an incoming event into Knock, we map it into an action. And any of the key actions available in Knock are available as part of this release. So we could use webhooks to add users to audiences. We can use them to create objects in Knock and create subscriptions between users and objects. We can use them to update and create users in the system. Or in this demo, we're just going to trigger a workflow. So let's go and we're going to select our workflow. I've already got one created for a trial that's going to end. And then here we can just type ahead through our sample payload. I'm going to select the customer ID as our recipient. And for the data, I'm just going to pass through the full data of the payload. So let's go ahead and save that. And then if we jump into our workflow, we can see it is now correctly being triggered by the webhook coming in from Stripe, which is pretty cool. So now let's say we want to update this. We're going to say update our email template here to let our customer know when their trial is about to end, include a button for upgrading and a button for getting in touch with sales. So I'm going to put that in, and then let's add in the payload that we just passed in. And our agent is working through this. We can see it's updating the preview text, our subject line, and it's good to go. So I'm going to jump into this template. Let's see how it did. So there we go. Your free trial is coming to an end on April 9th. Upgrade to keep using everything that you've been using so far. I've got my upgrade button and my talk to sales. So that is setting up a trial ending email using Stripe event data, Knock data sources, and the Knock agent in just a few minutes. Data sources are available today. Try them out and let us know what you think. Thanks, and Knock on.